Fellow citizens and honorable members of parliament, I stand before you today not as a politician but as a soldier who has served this nation with blood, sweat, and unwavering loyalty for decades. I have fought for its independence, defended its sovereignty, and watched it grow through both triumph and trial. Sarabna mashkubraito kwa General Winston Skauke Mapranga and over subscribe or like on the bell icon. And today, I issue this grave warning with the full weight of my experience and conscience. The nation is watching you. You were elected to serve the people, not yourselves. You were sent to the parliament to build, not to plunder, to unite, not to divide, to lead with integrity, not to loot and lie. The time for empty promises, corruption and self-enrichment and betrayal of the public trust has come to an end. If you continue to treat the people's mandate as a license for personal gain, history will judge you harshly, and the people will not remain silent forever. The patience of a suffering nation is not infinite. Every MP, regardless of the party or position, retains the values of service and sacrifice. Prioritize the welfare of the ordinary citizens over personal luxury. Root out corruption in your ranks before it destroys the very institutions you claim to protect. Remember that true leadership is measured not by the size of our motorcade, but by the dignity and the prosperity of the people you represent. Prioritize the welfare of the ordinary citizens over personal luxury. I warn you plainly, the eyes of the nation, the eyes of the veterans who fought for this country, and the eyes of future generations are fixed upon you. Do what is right, or be prepared to face the consequences of your choices. This is not a threat, it is a solemn call to duty. Zimbabwe first, the people first, always. Retired Lieutenant General Winston Skoke Mapranga. Toma developments are good upon what you know. When I comment section, do the finger, subscribe or like.